Hey, it's Matt. I've got to tell you about my experience with soul manifestation, and it's honestly been a huge eye-opener for me. If you're on the fence about whether to give it a shot, let me share what I've learned and how it's impacted my life. So, to start off, if you're interested in checking out soul manifestation, make sure you access it through the official website. There are a bunch of look-alikes and similar-sounding programs floating around, and you don't want to fall for a scam or end up with something that isn't what you signed up for. Trust me, getting it straight from the source is key if you want the real deal and results. Alright, so what exactly is soul manifestation? It's this personalized program that takes your name and date of birth to create a custom soul reading report. It's supposed to give you insight into your true life purpose and what's potentially holding you back. The program doesn't just stop at showing you where you're headed, it digs deep into your health, love life, and even financial well-being. It's pretty comprehensive in a way I didn't expect. I was kind of skeptical at first because I've never been someone who's super into astrology or anything like that, but honestly, I'm glad I gave it a shot. The cool thing is that the report breaks down your unique path into several sections, including your strengths and weaknesses, challenges that might be blocking your success, and opportunities that you should be taking advantage of. One of the things I found most surprising was how accurate the report was in describing my personality and some of the roadblocks I've been facing. It even touched on some areas I'd been ignoring or didn't want to admit were problems, which was a bit of a wake-up call for me. One thing that sets soul manifestation apart from other programs is how easy it is to integrate into your life. I didn't have to follow a strict schedule or dedicate hours to it. You start by going through the soul reading, and from there, it's all about applying the insights to your day-to-day decisions. It's more like having a guide or a cheat sheet to understand why certain things are happening and what you can do to change them. For me, it's been super helpful to revisit the report whenever I'm feeling stuck or unsure about my next move. What I really love is that the program gives you a 60-day money-back guarantee, so it's essentially risk-free. This made it easier for me to take the leap because I knew I could back out if it didn't resonate with me. But honestly, I started noticing subtle shifts in my mindset and life within the first few weeks. I've become more mindful, less reactive, and I feel like I have a better sense of direction now. It's not like my whole life magically transformed overnight, but the changes are real and steady. Even my relationships feel stronger and more meaningful, which was unexpected. If you're looking for a tool to help you understand yourself better, align with your purpose, and get back on track with your goals, I'd totally recommend Soul Manifestation. Just remember, make sure you get it from the official website to avoid getting something that's not authentic. I think you'll be surprised at how much it can help you tune into your true path. Here's to finding that deeper meaning and living the life you've always wanted.